Rebecca Marina, EFT expert with a basic tutorial for EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, created by Gary Craig, a Stanford engineer. This works by tapping on certain acupressure points, which releases trauma from the body. So the main points are here: side of the hand, top of the head, beginning of the eyebrow, side of the eye, underneath the nose, underneath the lip, right here on your collarbone, and under the armpit. Those are the basic. Let's do a little tapping exercise. Now, this is about becoming more joyful, right? So we're gonna learn how to do that together with basic EFT. Measure right now on a scale of 1 to 10, how joyful do you feel? You might only feel 2, 3, 4, or 5, not very joyful. And you can lift your joy right now by doing this with me. Don't worry about doing it right. Follow along. Here's what's important with EFT. Use the same tone that I'm using, because you want to get into the habit of having authority and even switching your body language, woo, and your voice, so that your energy system pays attention. So let's tap, and I'll give you time to repeat after me. Even though I don't feel very joyful right now, repeat that. I love and accept myself. Keep tapping. This is for self-sabotage, in case you're wondering. Got any of that? Even though I don't feel very joyful, I love and accept myself. There's something wonderful about saying, I love and accept myself. Even though I don't feel very joyful, and you can't make me. I love and accept myself. Woo! All right, see, I'm already getting hopped up here. I don't feel joyful. I'm telling the truth. I feel kind of sad. I feel a little angry. I'm fearful sometimes. I have some shame. I have some embarrassment. I don't feel joyful. Right here on the collarbone. You can do it with 2 hands, either hand, and then underneath the armpit. I don't feel joyful. Take a deep breath in and out. So we tapped on the negative, right? I like using EFT. I know this is basic, but let's do something with it, okay? So you might check in and see if you're feeling a little more joyful than when you started. So are you ready to kick it up a notch? You can actually choose. You can actually choose. Yes, hear me now. I'm repeating myself. You can choose to move into more joy. And this is what the EFT Joy Revival is all about. Follow after me. Even though I still don't feel very joyful, and you can't make me. See, let yourself be childish. Most children are joyful, right? I love and accept myself. I choose to be more joyful. Doesn't that feel good? I choose to be more joyful. I can choose to be more joyful. Let's come in it with 2 hands, all right? I choose to be more joyful. 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 I choose joy. I choose joy. I choose joy. I choose joy. Take a deep breath in and out and check in. I'll bet you're feeling more joyful than when you started. Now you can play with this. One of my favorite things to do is to really let the inner child come out. We'll save that for another video. Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, sending you a huge wave of woo, joy. Wait. I think I have a magic wand. Yes, I do. Rebecca Marina with my fairy godmother wand and my boobs hanging out, right? Sending you a big wave of joy. Woo! Be joyful.